Hey everybody, it is so hot outside that a cool dessert is just what you need if you're having friends over or you're having a gathering. So I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, key lime beady bite shooters. You use shooter cups to layer a cool and creamy dessert that only has 4 ingredients. We have cream cheese, condensed milk, lime juice, and a cup of cookie crumbs, and you can use anything you want. You can use Biscoff, which I love. I've used that before. These are cinnamon grams, and all you do is just get your favorite cookie and you make your own crumbs. A cup is about this much graham crackers, but you just put it in a bag and you just beat it with this side of a meat tenderizer until the crumbs are the texture that you like. Okay, the first thing you also have a lime that you want to grate till you get the zest off, because that's going to be the garnish. So first thing we do is start by creaming the cream cheese until it's just a smooth consistency, and I'll come back and we'll finish. This comes together in a snap. Okay, look how smooth that is. Now we're going to add the condensed milk. Y'all, condensed milk is usually in any kind of key lime, frozen type, or cold dessert, and then we're going to add our juice. Now I used the Nellie's key lime juice. I'll show y'all the bottle when we get back because it's fabulous and so easy. Then all you do is we're going to blend this for about 4 minutes. We want it to be really, really smooth, and then we're going to layer our dessert. So be right back. Okay, everybody. I had to whip this for about 4 minutes to get it really smooth, and that's what it looks like. I used the new Factual, the 1/3% fat, so it's a little softer. I'm going to show you. I'm pouring it into this silicone bendable cup, and I'm going to have to fill it again in a minute. But I like this because you can squeeze it and easily pour into the Beady Bite shooters. Now I do want to jump in here. This is the key lime juice that I used, and of course the fresh lime that I zested. I just needed one. Okay, so we have our key lime filling, and then we have our crumbs. And y'all, it's this easy. Just get a spoon, and I start with the crumbs because that's like a little pie crust. Then you just squeeze, and y'all, this silicone measuring cup is awesome because look how easy that is. Then add a few more crumbs, and then you just shake it. Then one more little dab of the filling. You could go all the way to the top, but I do not because I just like to have a little room for the spoon and like a mint sprig if I decided to put one. So I top it with a little bit of crumbs for garnish and a little of the lime zest. Y'all, it could not be easier. And another wonderful thing about this is you can make it 2-3 days ahead, even 4, because you just keep it in the fridge. And another thing that's fabulous about it, especially now, is everyone just picks up their own dessert, and you don't have to be digging into a pie or passing around something that someone has cut, because right now we're all taking extra measures to avoid food handling. I've got them put on a platter, and this is perfect for company on a hot summer day, and it couldn't be easier to make, and it's delicious. So I'm just going to take a bite. Looks like that. And let's taste. That is delicious. Tastes just like key lime pie. So fabulous. So 4 ingredients, make ahead, cool and beautiful. Perfect dessert. I hope this was helpful, and you all have a fabulous day.